How to buy GOHOME token. Now, before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in awesome crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. You can buy it on your account in MEXC. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, after that, as you can see, open your MEXC account, as I said before. Now, click here on the search bar and type the GOHOME token symbol. As you can see, this is our token. Now, click on this pair. Now, after a few seconds, you will be able to or this page will be able to load it. Now, after that, click on limit. Now, here, as you can see the amount that you want to buy, like that. And now here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account. Now click on buy GOHOME. Now if you select the market option, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of the USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy GOHOME token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.